For this video, let's look into this question about Sarah Ferguson.
Come in, come in. Don't be shy. The universe has a message waiting here, if you're ready to hear it.
Hi, everyone. Where is Sarah Ferguson? We want to know. Now, there are rumors that she's in some kind of Swiss, I don't know, spa, and they're letting her stay there, and you guys, you can't believe everything. I don't feel like she is, but let's just see. Where is she? There were also rumors that she was in America staying with Priscilla Presley, because they were friends apparently. I'm sure she's got a lot of people that would take care of her, put her up. It seems like nobody knows where she is. Isn't that weird? That she just disappeared. But let's just ask. So where in the world is Sarah Ferguson? My kids used to watch that show a long time ago. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? Do you guys remember that? Where is Sarah Ferguson now? What are the underlying? The underlying are the Page of Wands. And that's usually, I wouldn't say that's like good news, but is she... We might be hearing news about her soon. The Page of Wands is news. But she could be staying with a friend as well. So where in the world is she? Is she in the... Oh, Justice. Justice is coming. But to me... It could be, well, I mean, she could be as well. Look at this, because it's underlying, and that friend is sort of that way, away from justice. She could be running from the law. I think justice is trying to find her, but we're not hearing about it. Maybe we'll hear news about that soon. Where is Sarah Ferguson? The Ten of Swords in reverse. Boy, that's an ending. She might be trying to come out of that. And, I don't know why I got this feeling that she could be... I don't know, that justice card, it reminded me of the law courts in London, and that is an ending, though. Let's just see, next card. The Six of Swords upright. Well, she's fallen off her horse. And the Six of Swords is usually... I'm using the Scapini Tarot, so it doesn't always match the Rider-Waite. But this person looks like in danger, fell off the horse. Can't get back in the gates there, or... because look at the castle back there. Because it's usually going into calmer waters and kind of things calming down and leaving a bad situation. You know what? A lot of people say that she's always coming back, making a comeback, and the Six of Swords, always getting up back on the horse, making a comeback. She always finds a way. And I think that's what she's trying to do. As a Lovers in reverse. She made some bad choices. And also, she could be, not with Andrew anymore. Maybe she's alone as well. But, bad choices. And underneath that Justice card, they could be looking for her. But where is she? We want to know where she is. And, of course, the Seven of Cups, that is all these different choices you can make. But, some of them are bad. Some of them are, that's like, that kind of looks like drugs, is it? And, could be drinking, could be, but sometimes this is a gaslighting as well, because it's a veil covered. You have all these choices, but you don't know which one to make, and you're trying to make the right one, but they're covered, and this person is kind of dreaming, sitting there in a dream, dreaming of all these things. So dream state, it's all kind of veiled, and nobody knows the truth, right? So, where is she then? The Fool, trying to start her life anew. This is taking a risk or taking a leap of faith, which, that's that Six of Swords too. She keeps starting over. And, the Three of Cups, no friends. Which is not celebrating, but maybe I would feel like she has some friends that are loyal to her with that underlying Page of Wands. The Devil. I knew it would show up. And partying, dancing, all the, she's gonna come back, and it's not all of the things that she's done, even though, there was the stories that she visited Jeffrey Epstein in prison as well, while he was in prison, not just after. This is allegedly for entertainment only, I don't know. The Six of Cups, reminiscing how things used to be, maybe, but there's no going back to that life, no returning to that life. But is she in England? I want to know, is she in England? The Page of Coins, upright. Now, to me, the coins will speak of home, kind of like they're an earthy card. I think she keeps working on ideas of how to get back in the royal family. And while we're at this, I just wonder if the royal family, if Charles doesn't have her at Sandringham or something. Is she actually at Sandringham, please? Three of Coins reversed. That isn't. If she is, this is just my thoughts. Not working with anybody, or people. That is like the artist, she can't seem to. That is a Chariot. Can you see that? That would be kind of like the Fool right there. These coins, there's art all over these. And it's in reverse. And it's usually like working together, working on your project. She has a little bit of a hindrance there. And Temperance. So you have the Devil upright and Temperance in reverse, Devil energy. She's up to no good still. I got these little cards, and they're actually, I think there might be stickers, not sure, but they have all of these. Look, Canada, Antarctica, America, and I was just going to kind of use them for divination, see if we can find out. It might not tell us, but where in the world is Sarah Ferguson? I just think that she hasn't even left, like hasn't left like Andrew, wait on me. And who's to even say, who could say, Sandringham, like all these palaces, nobody from the outside can see, and you can always like hide yourself in the car or blacked out windows. This is my interpretation, my thoughts only. I just want to see, where in the world is Sarah Ferguson, please? Okay, you guys ready? I don't know. I might not even, but let's ask, where's Sarah Ferguson, please? Czech Republic. Now, I mean, like I say, they're not really divination cards. They're just kind of, they're just fun. And that's what that says. But, I mean, there's so many countries. Look, Cambodia, Papua New Guinea, Samoa, Fiji, like I say, America, Mexico, Israel, all of these places. And this said Czech Republic. What? I don't know. Let's ask. Is she in the Czech Republic? And what? The Ace of Wands upright. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, I'm going to leave this for you to give me your comments and we'll just discuss, because shall we just ask the pendulum right quick? I'll just ask yes or no, okay? Just ask yes or no. You see that? And I'll just ask. It's kind of crazy, but, I don't know who she knows. So let's give it a little kickstart here. So, Daniel, please tell us, and Daniel is my pendulum's name. It told me, it spelled it out. Daniel, please tell us, is Sarah Ferguson in the Czech Republic right now? Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's going to yes. Wow. You know what? I am going to be honest with you guys. I was just going through these earlier, and I hadn't got any tarot out, and I was like, where is Sarah Ferguson? And the Czech Republic card came out again. And now it's come out again. Out of all of these, look how many there are. So you guys leave in your comments. Leave in the comments. Where do you think she is? Have you heard anything? Because I haven't. I've been trying to look like on X and all that, but a lot of people say she's in Switzerland. So anyway, I just thought we could be nosy. Thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. Please hit the like button, the subscribe, and the hype. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.